Milk is an essential component of our diet. India is the largest producer of milk. Yet the milk produced by us does not meet the international quality standards. The milk secreted into a healthy animal's mammary gland is considered as sterile. The milk gets exposed to microflora in the teat canal, followed by pathogens present in teat ends, an animal's body coat, surrounding environment, teat cups of milking machine, or the hands of the milker. Milk, being an excellent medium for bacteria, yeasts and molds, afterwards gets contaminated during cooling and storage. The rapid growth, particularly at high ambient temperatures, can cause marked deterioration, spoiling the milk for liquid consumption or a process for dairy products. To meet the quality standards, milk produced should have good flavor. It should be free of dirt and other sediment, low bacteria count of less than 1 lakh per milliliter, low somatic cell count of less than 2 lakh cell per milliliter. There should not be any chemical contamination, and it should not be adulterated with added water or any other adulterants. Under the livestock-based module of Farmer First project of ICAR NIANP, a number of challenges were identified through personal interactions and visits. These identified problems were prioritized based on the quantum of economic losses incurred apart from the number of animals and number of farmers affected by these problems. The biggest problem identified and prioritized was low quality of the milk produced. The animals were kept in highly unhygienic conditions. The housing facilities were not standard, and cleaning of the premises was not done regularly. The milking vessels were not cleaned properly. The personal hygiene of the milker was also not taken care of before milking. These conditions led to drudgery for farm women, as most of the milking operations were managed by them. There were very high occurrence of mastitis, clinical and subclinical, up to 74% among the 600 animals screened, leading to fibrosis and complete blackout of udder and not yielding milk. Milk samples screened had shown high somatic cell count and microbial load. Thus, animals became less productive, causing considerable economic loss to the farmer. To improve the quality of the milk produced and to enhance livestock production performance, a need-based quality milk production protocol program was designed by the team of NIANP, which is in line with standard HACCP protocols for quality milk production. The method used for implementing this technical intervention was conducting specialized training sessions for selected trainer farmers, apart from mass awareness campaigns on importance of quality milk production and various clean milk production practices. Contact farmers were identified for technology follow-up and spread. Demonstration of clean milk production practices were carried out in different time periods. A number of awareness workshops on clean milk production were organized. A quality milk production kit was introduced. The milk samples were analyzed for clinical and subclinical mastitis as well as somatic cells at regular intervals. Pre-intervention, throughout the intervention and post-intervention period. Curative treatment of mastitis was done on identified clinical and subclinical cases through administration of trisodium citrate along with follow-up calls on weekly basis. The animals were not housed in hygienic premises at the beginning of the intervention. After a number of demonstrations, awareness programs and hands-on workshops on the importance and process of clean milk production practices, the somatic cell count of the milk samples were reduced considerably, and there was a substantial reduction in incidence of mastitis. This led to reduction in incidence of rejection of milk, by cooperative society. The hygienic conditions of the animal housing premises have improved considerably. The intervention has helped in reducing the veterinary expenses by Rs 600 per month per animal, and less incidence of mastitis has impacted in avoiding a production loss of average 4 days at the rate of 12 litres milk per day. Thus, the farmer gets an additional income of Rs 1,200 per month per animal. For further details, please contact mtalware@gmail.com, Anju Moni _0071 @rediffmail.com, Letha Ayur @gmail.com.